Hello friend, good morning. Today's topic is numerical analysis. Get 16, question number 39. Set first are A. Some things. So very important problems on numerical analysis. Many time ask the questions that type of problems. So please take care numerical analysis problems. Easy and if something. So first question is given, let integral of this 0 to 4 f of x dx and f of the interval given. Consider the following statement of P and Q here. So here I2 is the value of integral obtained by composite trapezoidal. That is a new words. We know that only trapezoidal rule, but here is a composite trapezoidal rule. So that is take care with with two equal subintervals and I2 what is the exacts. Next again I3 is value of integral and is also that is a composite trapezoidal rules. Both are same but some basic difference. Rules with three equal subinterval I3. Then here which of the following statement is true only, which is PQ something. There is a PQ statements. So the value of general methods find out, so and then the value of composite trapezoidals method. Composite trapezoidal rules with are same, composites with are composite with are same, then can we can say exacts. So that case first is find out the general methods after next work. So now first is the I is given here, so 0 to 4 f of x ds fx 0 to interval is given, this is and here. So first that terms, so the divide in two interval 0 to 2, here 0 to 2 and 2 to 4. So 2 0 to 2 2 to 4 0 to x 0 to x, here x f of x is that 2 to 4, that case that interval is value of fx 4 minus x, it is a 4 minus x. So integrate this x square by 2 0 to 2 4x minus x square by 2 4 limit upper and lower. So totally simplify, then we get this I is equal to 4. So I equal to 4. Next general methods, here find out this. So next go to the for composite methods, composite of trapezoidal rule. So here composite of trapezoidal rule, what is this? So this method is finding the area under the curve y equal to fx over f is approximation that area with series trapezoids that lie above the interval of this. Interval is given. So how can solve, what is the methods and something. So suppose that the interval AB is subdivided into m sub intervals, m sub interval, that is important. So xn minus 1 of width h equal to b minus a upon m is upper limit minus lower limit of divided by number of dividing parts by using the equally spaced here notes of this. For k equal to here something 0 1 2 3 something, the composite trapezoidal rules, here this composite trapezoidal rules for m sub interval can be expressed as, this is important. So f naught to f1 f of to f2 and so on. That case is your simplifications, finding out this and simplify only this. So in case simplify and you can evaluate. So we get, so otherwise in that case is write down that method. So now go to the problems and some things. So now friends, next go to the options. For I2 find the composite methods. So next first, what is the value of h? H is equal to b minus a upon m, or here m is equal to 2. Equality I2 means equally 2 subintervals. This is 2 subinterval. So b minus a, so b minus is the h is equal to b means is 4 minus 0 upon 2, that is 2. So imply that h is equal to 2. And two sub-equal interval axis means find out the f0 and f1 only. Find f0 and f1. That is the two sub-equal intervals that is here. So prepare the tables here. Here x, here f of x, that is here x0 and x0 plus h and something. So that is f of 0 and is f of 1 0. x0 is 0 initial, x0 equal to 0, so that is 0 and here 2. So now, so I2 is equal to h upon 2, that is f1 f0 plus 2 f1, and remaining term is 0. So remaining is, write down this here 2 f2 plus and so on. So that case it will be 0. Only consider two सब interval. So हम क्या करेंगे, सिर्फ only two सब intervals को consider करेंगे. Sum that is the h means 2 by 2. f of naught is 0 plus 2 into 2. So f1 is 2. So that is guess I of 2 equal to 4. So which is equal to I equal to 4. That is I equal to 4 and I2 equal to 4. So I2 is exact. Means both are equals. Means P is exact. So statement P is correct. Next, for I3 find outs. For I3, so first you can find out the h. So b minus a upon m, and I3 means 3 equal sub interval. So this is a 4 minus 0 upon 3, that is a 4 by 3. So what is the required? 3 sub interval equals f0, f1 and f of 2 is required. It is required. So again prepare the table, some things. x0, f of x, that is here x0, x here x0, x0 plus h and x0 plus 2h. So that is 0, here 2 and here 4. 2 something h, sorry, h is here 4 by 3, that is 4 by 3 and 2, so that is 8 by 3. Here 2 to the 4, to 8 by 3. So now I of 3 by composite method, composite trapezoidal methods. So h by 2, f of naught plus 2 f of 1, 2 f of 2, 2 f of 3 and so on. So what is the required is, write down this I3 h. So here 4 by 3 means 4 by 3 and h, that is again 4 by 3 by 2, that format. This is here 4 by 3, h is 4 by 3 divided by this, and f naught is 0 plus 2 into 4 by 3 and plus 2 into 4, 8 here f of 2, this is 8 by 3. So simplifications, that is here simplify, this is 2 by 3 here and 8 by 3 and which is 16 by 3, 8 by 3 and 16 by 3, this is 24, 16 and 8, 620 by 3, so that is 8. Here 8 to the 16 and or 4 to the 8, so 16 and 24, so 3 8s are 24 and again here 16 upon 3 simplification. So which is not equal to I. So which is not equal to I means I3 is not exact, which is not equals I. This is a 4. So I3 not exact. It means here I3 is not equal to I4, not equal to 4. So it means I3 is not exact. So I3 is not exact. It means statement Q is wrong. So only statement P is true. So only P is true. So go to the options. Which option is correct? So go to the options here. So option here P is only 2 is correct. Means I2 is exact. So that is a B answer. So that is your answer is correct. Only P. So here take care. Here please subscribe my channels, like, share and tell to friends for subscribe some latest updates. फ्रेंड्स ऐसे ही वन बाय वन आपको नोट्स मैं प्रोवाइड करता रहूँगा. थैंक यू. बाय बाय.